they swimming?
I think so.
Swimming? Swimming? Are you singing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11, 12.
Whoa.
Pumpkin, pumpkin. Flamingo, flamingo. Strawberry. Are these strawberries?
They look like strawberries.
Are they? And they, good. Socks, socks.
What's below the socks?
Carrot.
Do you like carrots?
And where are the shoes? Where are the shoes?
I don't know. It's just socks.
Ah! Ah! Cupcakes. Some cupcakes.
And what's on top of the cupcakes?
No sugar.
Sugar?
Yeah.
And what's the picture above the cupcake picture?
Around the corner at the baking shop. 4 muffins. Along came Mommy with the penny to pay. Get the penny. The penny.
Thank you.
And he bought a purple muffin. It went away.
Thank you.
Put the penny back.
Yes. Here you go.
I'll put it back in the back. See? Here. Along came Mama with the penny to pay. Get a penny.
Ooh, thank you.
And he bought.
No, you just ate a penny. We don't eat money.
We don't eat pennies. Along came Mama with the penny to pay. Get the penny. Get a penny, Mommy. Mama, get a penny. He bought purple muffin. Mama, come back. We need the muffin.
Can I eat a muffin?
Yeah. A purple.
Thank you.
You ate a purple one. Along came around the corner at the baker. 4 muffins with some sugar on top. Along came Zoe and with the penny to pay.
Along came Zoe. Zoe, are you here for a muffin? Come on, Zoe, come get your muffin. Here you go.
He needs a penny.
Oh, here's a penny for Zoe.
A dog one?
Yeah, a dog penny. Oh, here's your muffin, Zoe. I'll give it to her. Here you go, Zoe.
Oh, that's a penny.
Oh, don't eat it, Zoe. That's just a penny. I got it back.
Here's a penny. It was the muffin one.
Yeah. What kind of muffin is Zoe going to have?
A green one.
Okay. Should I give it to her?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Eat it.
Here you go, Zoe.
You want another one?
I think I'm all good.
All done. Bye, Muffin Chop.
Some more. I want to eat a wall.
Okay. You eat the rest of them.
Yummy. Yummy.
Yummy. Do you like muffins?
Yeah.
Me too.